All right, check it out. Almost done. So, this is the wall that we are painting. Well, I'm not painting. I'm paying my ex-fiance to paint it. Lily's doing a fantastic job, though. Look at how cool that looks so far. That's for this show that we have come up in Tahoe. I think it's crazy that people have either like they don't have enough money or they barely have enough money to put on a show or something, or they just have infinity money. We're dealing with one of those people that has infinity money basically right now. They basically are paying like $8,000 for one 10-minute act. By the way, we are starting a daily dash right now. We are going to do the challenge that I challenged everyone. It's 5 o'clock. It is actually plus $3 right now in my area. How random is that? I decide totally randomly that I was gonna do dashing today at 5 to make as much money as I possibly can, and it is plus $3 from 5 to 8. So bam, good luck guys, good luck beating me now. I got plus $3. Anyways, we are logged in, but you know what the problem is? Anytime there's like a plus $3, the lighting is going to be absolutely horrible in this video, by the way, because it's almost sunset. We're probably going to run out of light eventually. But the problem with anytime there's a plus $3 surcharge or whatever you call it, extra fee, extra money for Doordashers, you never get any orders. I don't understand it. It's like, I don't know. I guess because everyone else probably logs in, but I don't know. Yeah, so anyways, we are just leaving my house. I'm logged in. Let's send it, guys. See how much money we can make in 3 hours. So 5 to 8. I've already been logged in for about 10 minutes though. Jesus Christ. Anyways, man, I almost bailed on this video, this challenge that I challenged everyone else on, because I have so much damn shit to do and I did not realize how much stuff I needed to get done before tomorrow. So I'm basically gonna do this dash and then go home and I have so much stuff I gotta do. But anyways, I'm gonna keep the talking bit short so we can actually see all the orders that come in and stuff. So 3 hours, I have not done just solid door dashing in a while, but we're gonna do it for the next 3 hours. And I am wearing my cutoff tee for all of you who hate when I wear these things. All right, let's go. By the way, guys, we are going to the outlet mall because that's the best place to make lots of money really quickly on DoorDash. So my GPS already knows where we're going, which is really weird because I haven't driven there in a long time. It already thinks that I'm going to Buffalo Wild Wings, which is in the outlet mall parking lot. It's so weird that my car knows where I'm going. Like, how? I just don't get it. I don't get it. My phone is clearly listening to me. It doesn't even make sense. I don't get it. How does it know where I'm going? I don't know. Maybe my car's a better dasher than me. It's like, bitch, I will tell you where to go. Alright, anyways, let's go. Let's do this. Look at this Corvette! Isn't it cool how Corvettes are so cool that they're blurry? Just kidding, guys. Alright. I'm gonna put down the camera until we get an actual dash. First order, we got 13 miles. I mean, $13 for, I think it was like 5 miles or something. But this order definitely is getting us to a great start. From the Italian bistro. I once made a video on this exact restaurant saying never, ever decline from the bootlegger bistro. And we are not going to decline. We're going to take this order. It is insanely good way to start off this video. Honestly, you guys should be sweating it right now because I'm going to win this challenge and no one's going to get shoes. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. If I win, I will still give people shoes. But it's on, baby. It's on like Donkey Kong. I haven't even seen an order this good in so long. And what a random way to start off the day with $13. This is almost like I would be willing to bet all the money that I make in this next 3 hours that this order has a post tip. But it's a good thing no one's here to shake my hand, otherwise I would definitely bet it. but fortunately I'm gonna keep that money. Anyways, all right, be right back, pulling up. It's ready in 6 minutes, so it's possible it's ready, it's possible. I'm gonna walk into this super, super nice, fancy Italian restaurant, dressed like I just came from the gym. I don't know. Some people say that I need to stop dressing like a thug. I almost said slug. I mean, I guess I should dress nicer, but nah. Alright, got the order. It was ready as soon as I walked in. This could not start off any better, really. I mean, the only thing that could have been better is if it wouldn't have taken me freaking 20 minutes to get the first order, because we're already at 5:35 right now. But, okay, look, check this out. This is 100% a post-tip order, and this is exactly how you can tell. This order is, it says 6 miles from the restaurant. I just drove about 0.5, meaning what's 6.5 times 2? 13. No. Yeah, it's 13, but maybe it isn't a post-tip. I don't know, because DoorDash usually does the $2 mile thing. That's how much they'll show you, and they don't show you any more. But that's why I'm saying this is definitely a post tip. I'm telling you guys, this is definitely a post tip, because if you double the miles, that gives you $13.50, which means, I mean, it's about $13.50 or so. It's gotta be. I'm telling you, it's gotta be. Anyways, all right, be right back. Let's drop off this order and see where it goes. By the way, Pedro's video, his response to my last video is coming out in 2 hours. I wish it was going to be during this dash and I could watch it, but it actually comes out literally the moment that I finish this dash. So maybe I guess I'll make a reaction video watching it the first time or something. Anyways, I'm really excited about that video, because I see in the freaking description he's talking about elk meat and stuff. I'm like, oh great, what is this video gonna be about? All right, let's do this. All right, first order dropped off. It took so long to get to this place. Okay, $15.50, just as I expected. I just snorted. Anyways, so we got $15.50 so far. Nice way to start off the day, but I gotta be honest, it's 6 o'clock already. I only made $15 in the first hour. I thought I was gonna make more than that, to be honest, but all right. We didn't really actually start till like 5:20, but that's just because we didn't get an order. Unfortunately, due to my rules, it was 3-hour dash as soon as you log in, so it is what it is. Not too bad, $15.50. All right, let's continue. All right, so just so you guys are aware of my strategy, it is basically drive to the nearest shopping center, because that's where I'm at right now. Shopping stuff everywhere, stores, restaurants, everywhere. This is the perfect spot to be if you want to get orders. Except we're not getting any orders, but there's nothing I can really do about that, so. But if we got a $3 surcharge, the lowest an order can be is $5, so I'll pretty much take anything at this point, Anyway, so it's been 10 minutes. I've just been chilling here. Haven't gotten a single order, so who knows how much money we're gonna make. This is the day of a full-time dasher. This is why I don't do dashing anymore, because you just gotta, I don't know, it just makes so much more sense to do it when it's convenient and just take orders here and there and try to spread them out throughout the day, so by the end of the day, after you've done all your tasks, you just have made like an extra $50. But right now I'm just kind of, I don't know, I'm not gonna lie, I am a little anxious because I do have so much stuff I still need to complete at home. So yeah, definitely a little stressed out, because I do basically leave tomorrow night or on Sunday for 2 months basically. So yeah, all right, we're back. We're gonna order. Okay, quick little update. It's been another 30 minutes. 6:30 right now. Haven't got another order. This is exactly why you cannot rely on DoorDash as your sole income. I'm so glad that I don't, because I'm giving up right now. I'm giving up. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna still continue this dash and do it for 3 hours, but I'm not going to be sitting in that spot because obviously it's not even working. Been there for 30 minutes. Everyone and their mom is dashing right now. Man, I'm not going to lie, it started off really good. I was like, hell yeah, we're going to make so much money. I am Casper again. And yeah, looks like we're not going to make any money, so who knows. But I have so much stuff that I have to, like, I got to paint a whole bunch of, like, pieces for our set, for our show and stuff still. So I'm at least going to go home and finish the painting and stuff while I wait for an order to come in. So hopefully we get an order. If not, epic fail. Epic fail, Doordash. This is why you multi-app, by the way. So shout out UDM. You were right. It shouldn't be on one app because clearly this is not working. Right now I'm at $15. I've driven about 15 miles and I have spent about an hour and a half for that. Yeah, epic fail. Santa's here, dropping off packages. I always call the UPS guy Santa, because that's basically what he is. Alright, the just kidding Santa, he's actually not even coming to my house. He just stopped in the front to juke me. I got juked. Look, there he goes. Now he's triple juking me. Like, what is he doing? He's going back and forth, making me think that I have a package. I actually don't think I even have any packages on the way. So I don't even know why I thought Santa was coming. Anyways, you guys want to see what my backyard looks like? Looks like Afghanistan. Too soon? Probably too soon. Oh well. Looks like a gigantic mess. We just took down 2 of the tramp walls because obviously we're packing up for tour, so everything is like all over the ground. But we got 1 tramp wall up left. Yeah, look at this freaking mess. Gotta pack all this stuff up and put it in the trailer. But I gotta paint like so. This is why I was so stressed out. I gotta paint all of these. We use industrial shelving, if you guys are wondering. That's how this thing is made, and you just screw the boards on the front. Gotta paint all that. Gotta paint all that stuff over there. It's gonna be a lot of work. Alright, be right back. Alright, we got an order. $20 for 13 miles, which means I'm actually gonna drive 26 miles probably, but whatever. I want to make a solid 35 bucks at least. It's almost 7 o'clock though, so it's probably the last order we get, I bet. Anyways, been painting for the last like 30 minutes. Ah, my fingers are sore. Spray painting large amounts of stuff is like really hard on your hands. Alright, got the order. It says $20 for 13.3 miles or something like that. So I'm wondering, maybe there's another post tip, but it's not $2 a mile, but maybe they just don't advertise over 20 bucks. Who knows? So I guess we will find out. But I'm willing to bet I think there is a post tip on this one too. I don't know. Let's see. This is for sure the... Okay, man. Look at this dumbass. Wait. Look at this. Come on, camera. Literally driving in the wrong lane. Like a retard. Anyways. Oh, sorry. Not like a retard. Trying not to say these things. I'm trying not to offend anyone. It's very hard though, because I've been saying that word since I was like 9 years old. Anyways, this place is so far out here. Like, this is where I go shooting. Like, not here, but like right around here, because we're next to Speed Vegas. You probably couldn't see that either. But yeah, so this is like the area that I take my guns and go shooting, basically. Really, really far order, to be honest. Man, we are way out here. Look at these things. Those are huge. Alright, the moment of truth, even though my phone probably won't load because I'm in the middle of the boonies, basically. Super far away. Let's see, did we get an order, or did we get a post tip? Dun 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 dun. It's still loading. Na 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 na. Dun. Okay. I'll just get back to you guys when it loads, because I don't think it's going to load because I'm too far away from everything. so see that? Do you see this? It won't even load. That's how far away we are from anything. Anyways, guys, Ricky Martin does not get old. I'm just saying, that was a jam when I was like 10 years old, and it is still a jam. Be right back. Oh my God, $40. That's how much my Dash is. So we did get an extra $5. Wow, that is pretty good actually. So that order paid $25. Not too bad, gotta be honest. Not too bad. All right, it's very odd. We're only gonna do probably 2 orders in this whole entire 3-hour dash, but we still made $40 so far. That's pretty good, you know? Pretty good. Look at Vegas, way out there. Hey, look, there's a birdie. Hey, birdie. Look at, my house is like right somewhere over here. If only I could just fly in a straight line there. This would make this a lot faster. But, alright. Well, let's see how far it is home. Probably 13 more miles, of course. Be right back. Boom. Way down there. Alright, so we are back in my office, aka basement. It's not COVID. And today's day wasn't very good. Could have been better, could have been worse though. We're actually all set up about to film a reaction video to Pedro's beef with me, because we got some serious beef right now, obviously, if you guys have been paying attention. Finished with $40.25 for 2 hours and 48 minutes. 2 deliveries. 2 deliveries. Very interesting. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of your guys' dashes, and hopefully some of you guys did the challenge. And I've already got a few DMs from you guys, so let's see who wins this thing. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video at all, please consider subscribing to the channel for more. We got many more videos come every single day. Yeah. Alright, if you guys enjoy it, smash that like button for me. Go to my website, offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off. Or for the next couple weeks, use the discount code Tanner's YouTube. Get your shoes for about 35 bucks. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Peace.